Ever wondered about the impact of flies on your food? Well, it's a topic that's been buzzing in the news recently, and it's certainly more significant than you might think. Picture this, a black soldier fly, Hermetia illucens, its larval frass being used as a nutrient-rich alternative to traditional fertilizers. Research published just a month ago in Frontiers explored the impacts of this practice on lettuce and arugula production. The results were impressive. Arugula and lettuce grown with black soldier fly frass exhibited higher yields and nutrient concentrations compared to those grown with traditional media. The study suggests that incorporating black soldier fly frass as a partial replacement for peat in leafy green crops can be a sustainable and effective practice. The future of sustainable agriculture might just lie in the hands, or rather the larvae, of our tiny buzzing friends. But it's not all good news. 9 months ago, the Contra Costa County Department of Agriculture announced a quarantine on most fruits in East Contra Costa County due to the discovery of invasive oriental fruit flies. This quarantine affected communities in Contra Costa and Santa Clara counties, with a 99 square mile area including Brentwood, Oakley, Antioch, Bethel Island, Knightson, and other unincorporated areas. Fruits such as grapes, tomatoes, squash, and walnuts were at risk, and businesses were contacted to comply with quarantine regulations, which may involve prescribed spray treatments. The takeaway? Flies have a significant impact on our food, both in terms of agricultural practices and in the potential risks they pose. From the potential benefits of using insect frass as an alternative to traditional fertilizers, to the dangers of invasive fruit flies, these small creatures can have a big impact. It's a reminder to us all that every creature, no matter how small, plays a part in the complex system that is our food production and consumption.